Over the latest 2 or 3 years, K9-themed cryptographic types of cash have been causing aggravations on the mechanized money market. Dogelon Mars is one of such coins. It isn't is the same old thing. Subsequently, that numerous people are becoming enthusiastic about Dogelon Mars cost gauges and the potential outcomes of its natural framework. We understand the meaning of investigating a mechanized asset or adventure vehicle before buying or placing assets into it. Here you will find sensible Dogelon Mars cost figures from industry subject matter experts. We will in like manner look at several things you truly need to know before placing assets into Dogelon Mars. Do you need an expedient blueprint of Dogelon Mars Elon long stretch prospects? We will quickly summarize our Elon esteem assumptions and guesses for the following couple of years. Right away, end of 2022, Elon cost has wavered stunningly in the essential quarter of 2022, and we expect additionally created improvement in the last 34 close to the completion of 2022. A high guess of 0.00000146 is expected end of 2023. 1 year from now, 2023, Dogelon Mars will foster all the more notable and attract extra monetary benefactors. Elon cost figure for it is a biggest expense of 0.00000197 per token end of 2025. Upheld advancement will see Elon cost work on basically before 2025, notwithstanding the coin is gauged to reach 0.00000326 before 2025 draws into an end of 2030. By 2030, computerized monetary forms will become norm, and coins like Elon will presumably secure such a great deal of huge worth. Our Elon cost check for 2030 is an over-the-top expense of 0.00000125 per token. Dogelon Mars is a K9-themed computerized cash that was shipped off actually to take advantage of presumably the freshest examples in the crypto space. Expecting you have a lot of familiarity with Dogecoin and Elon Musk's love for it, you will have considered how the name of this coin occurred. Obviously the name is an intriguing mix of Dogecoin, Elon Musk, and Mars. The name similarly hints Mars, which is a bend on the moon subject which crypto fans use to depict assets they desire to upward explode. Dogelon Mars is another high-level asset made for pet K9 and picture sweethearts. Various endeavors with practically identical subjects integrate Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. What makes Dogelon Mars to some degree more surprising than three named coins is the relationship with Elon Musk, an acknowledged computerized cash advocate. Anyway, Elon Musk has no prompt association with the endeavor Dogelon Mars. Elon has benefited from the magnate's straight-to-the-point interest in computerized monetary standards and love for Dogecoin. Similarly as other picture coins, Dogelon Mars has no obvious use case. Its utility doesn't precisely go past buying, holding, and selling it at different times for benefits. It banks on speculations and the creating yearn for picture coins among computerized money lovers. To this end, the coordinators lumped Elon Musk Doge and Moonmars into a single picture coin. It is advanced as the vitally interplanetary cash. The trailblazers behind Dogelon Mars are Buy and Buy Dark. Clearly this is ordinary considering the start of near coins, while a couple of potential monetary patrons could see this as a side street. We've seen various assets made by dark individuals overpower the market. To be sure, even Bitcoin, the mother of all advanced types of cash, was laid out by an obscure individual or social occasion of individuals. Dogelon Mars token Elon is demonstrated at this point. Dogelon Mars doesn't settle or try to handle any critical issue inside or outside the blockchain business. Things could change sooner rather than later, yet the coin was at first made to go about as a tradable asset, particularly like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and several other computerized types of cash. So beginning here, our accentuation will be on the real coin and not the entire errand. The Dogelon Mars token trades under the ticker picture Elon, and it's as simple as that. Name Elon is an ERC20 token on Ethereum and Polygon made on Ethereum. The coin is gotten by the blockchain's affirmation of work understanding instrument. It moreover participates in the benefits introduced by Polygon, which is a layer 2 scaling reply for Ethereum. Fundamentally, Dogelon Mars is gotten And its trades are really speedy and sensible from the get-go. It was accounted for that the hard and fast stock of Elon is 1 quadrillion. In any case, the producers sent portion of the tokens to Vitalik Buterin, the great ally of Ethereum. The goal was to consume these tokens and assurance that they were forever killed from course, and moreover, to ensure fair appointment, there are at this point more than 550 billion Elon accessible for use, and the rest is gotten in a liquidity pool. Dogelon Mars Elon worth history preceding discussing Dogelon Mars esteem assumptions and checks. We should consider how the expense of the coin has acted already. Kingeco started following the expense of the coin in April 2021. And we will include their data for this gathering. On 23 April 2021, Elon tracked down the center worth of 0.000000048822 per token. It showed up at its record-breaking low on that very day, when it traded for 0.000000017563. By 30 April 2021, the coin had improved on a very basic level to trade for 0.00000002788932 per token. On 1 May 2021, Elon traded for 0.000000217033 per token. It dealt with, in a general sense, in the second multi-day stretch of the month to reach 0.00000231 on 12 May 2021. By 31 May it had dropped generally again to 0.000000016747. It dropped further to reach 0.000000086383 on 31 July. The expense of the coin was 0.000000053580 in August and September 2021. The expense of Dogelon Mars Elon swayed unimportantly. It just made some striking improvement in October. On 1 October 2021, the coin was esteemed at 0.000000052032. On 30 October 2021, Elon showed up at an unmatched excessive expense of 0.00000259 per token. On 30 November, the expense of the coin was 0.00000159. Elon started December 2021, suitably at 0.00000166, but by 21st the expense had dropped to 0.00000104. On 31st December 2021, the coin traded for 0.00000145 per token. On 1 January 2022, Dogelon Mars traded for 0.00000156 per token. It started dropping. And by 31 January, the expense was 0.000000086912. It improved fairly to about 0.00000116. On 12 February 2022, on First Walk 2022, Elon traded for 0.00000008392226. It chipped away at to some degree more than time, coming to 0.00